Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss an important topic regarding Ramappa Temple. Ramappa Temple in World Heritage Site list. Ramappa Temple in UNESCO list. Ramappa Temple came into UNESCO list as a 39th Indian site on July 25, 2021 in 44th UNESCO meeting World Heritage Committee held in China. It was recognized first in Telugu territory and first in Telangana state. The specialities and heritage of the temple brought into the list of UNESCO heritage site. In this episode, we are going to discuss following topics. Location. It lies in the Palampet village of Venkatapur Mandal in Mulugu district. Former it is comes under Warangal district in Telangana. Historical background. The temple was constructed in 12th century and the kingdom ruled is Kakatiya. The temple constructed under the king Ganapati Deva and his general Recharla Rudra Reddy. On the inscription which found in the temple area, the year mentioned is 1213 AD, and the Lord who is worshipped in the temple is Lord Shiva, called as Lord Ramalingeshwara. The sculptor who constructed the temple is Ramappa. Specialities of this temple: floating bricks, sandbox technology, black dolomite rock. The bricks here used was very light. They are floating in the water. Why? This is to reduce the weight of the building, and these floating bricks was used on the top of the temple. Sandbox technology. The technology used in Ramappa temple is sandbox technology. This technology is to withstand earthquakes. In the 17th century, a earthquake hit with a magnitude of 7.1, but the temple was not disturbed by this earthquake. Black dolomite rocks. These rocks was used in the walls of the temple. They are very hard in nature. Building specialities. The temple is situated on a 6-foot high star-shaped platform with walls, pillars and ceilings adorned with intricate carvings. There is a hall in front of sanctorum with 4 pillars. These pillars were skillfully placed with a mathematical perfection. The pillars in the temple produce different musical notes when tapped in certain places. Benefits of recognition by UNESCO. The village of Ramappa Temple, Palampet, will be popular internationally in tourism. For the maintenance and supervision, the funds supplied by World Heritage Fund. Share in World Heritage publications and donations from many volunteer organizations. Special funds from Central Archaeological Department to supervise. Tourists may increase from national and international and create employment for local people. Government provide necessary transportation for this site and basic infrastructure. In Warangal, Airport Mamunur can also be developed to attract tourists. About UNESCO. UNESCO abbreviation is United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. It was established in 16th November 1945. Headquarters Paris, France. Head Director General Audrey Azoulay. World Heritage Day celebrated 18th April every year. The theme 2021 is Complex Past, Diverse Futures.